Okay, that's very green. Now I'm saying the building. Yeah. Very environmentally friendly.
One building in Sydney, like long, we call these plants like go all the way down, like
Yeah, the long ones.
70 feet tall.
Wow. Oh, kind of reminds me of Doha Airport. Well, I saw it online. I've never been, but yeah.
Yeah, whenever you go to Sydney,
Or Sydney.
all the buildings,
Yeah. What, like the Opera House or other buildings?
all in the
Okay. Yeah. More bars. Not sorry, man. Nothing makes people happier than alcohol.
Hey, Miran, sounds like, you ever hear about Derelium Tremors?
Yes, we can. What's that?
Derelium Tremors? So,
Ah.
like, the human brain has too much alcohol.
Yeah.
We call it the shakes. That's where you get cold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, except like Derelium Tremors, it's for your soul, your spirit. And that's where like a bad spirit, the devil, a jinn or a demon, whatever.
Yeah.
Everyone believes come to the same thing. It's where it tries to possess you, and like that's why like I felt bad over weeks ago when I was in Australia. I missed out on one good video I was supposed to make. Right?
Yeah.
That's because I was shaking. I was getting cold.
Oh, because of the alcohol.
Yeah, and I was sweating.
Oh, you partied a lot, huh?
Yeah.
Hard.
A little too much, yeah.
Yeah.
With these locals, right? It's fun, but then again, though, it's like the not the hangover, but we call
The withdrawal, sort of.
withdrawals. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like where you're sweating, you can't go to bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, the worst. That's why, like, I guess like whenever it comes nowadays, I'm strict with myself. Like, whenever it comes to having booze,
Yeah. You try and
just have one. Yeah.
Okay.
Literally, just have one.
Wow, that's good. I've actually been to this building once.
Oh, what?
Yeah. Somebody I know used to live here. I don't know if he still lives here. Yeah, this is the Maboneng area now.
Yeah, you made a video, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I remember. I'm trying to remember like your videos and all that in case it's like you weren't available.
Yeah.
So like I was watching.
Oh, you're trying to like so that you can retrace and see like familiar places.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
why like some parts of CBD downtown area.
Yeah.
The actual place. Like I just recognized it right away. I was like, oh.
Yeah, he has been here before. Yeah.
Yeah. And plus like where Parker Station was, right? That's where Second Effect, another YouTuber.
Yeah.
The undercover police pulled him over because like he was doing this too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it was like that's why
They thought he was like spying or something.
No, they were just warning and telling him like he's gonna get jacked or whatever.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so you should be careful.
Yeah, that's why like I was filming like this.
Yeah.
All day.
Okay.
But then again, it's not that bad because it's busy, right?
Yeah.
Busy day.
Also, this used to be like a crazy area before, and then they decided to say, you know what, let's clean this up. And honestly, it's getting better.
Kind of reminds me of like my hometown. You see some parts of here.
Yeah.
But like the mayor and all that, right? They're starting to take charge and actually start enacting little acts and all that. Nowadays, they're gonna have a drone with a police force.
Oh, the drones.
Yeah.
Okay. What's this, AC or generator? I don't know.
We get copyright struck for that AC.
That's funny. That's a
Noise,
good one.
Yeah.
Common ground. Okay, let me take a picture of this. Oh, internet.
I got a hotspot.
Nah, I just switched it off because I was
Okay.
trying to save battery. Yeah.
Yeah. I just flip mine on the iPhone. Yeah. I just flip it on the battery. That's the thing.
Battery saver. Yeah, we can go. Now we covered a lot of ground today. Yeah, a lot. Hey, my nigga Nelson Mandela, you gotta get a picture of that. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I knew like he was in a politician, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't know he was a boxer.
Yeah, my nigga Nelson Mandela.
So far, I only watched the movie. I know it's a movie. Invictus. Well, like,
Invictus, okay? I don't think so.
Yeah, it stars on Matt Damon.
Oh,
It's
Matt
like-
Damon.
It's how like
Oh, this is crazy. No, man, there has to be more. Actually, let's go back. But this is a nice, because I don't want to go this way. There's nothing interesting to see there.
yeah, like you know how like
Invictus.
how he on the Springboks.
Yeah, yeah.
United South Africa, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like it's like as it says in the movie, one team, one nation.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's one thing. One of the reasons like. when I
Ah,
go-
you can go first. I'm just trying to get a location.
Yeah. When I go to Cape Town or whatever, right?
Yeah.
I want to go look into that a little bit more. Because like rugby, that's not a common sport.
Yeah, only in South Africa.
Yeah. So that's gonna be
Well, New Zealand too, and Australia. Don't
Yeah.
forget that, the Wallabies.
Springboks and what do you call it? What's the team from New Zealand?
Or the All Blacks.
All that. Yeah, they really do have like not a rivalry, but they. Have,
Yeah,
like,
it's a big rivalry, if you ask me.
Okay. Kind of reminds me of the teams like from like you don't know the teams, but Oilers and Flames.
What?
Ice hockey.
Oh, ice hockey, yeah.
Oilers and Flames. Like they hate each other to death, but they still love each other. Right?
I know nothing about ice hockey, honestly. But I love ice skating.
I don't remember.
Actually, in the back of my car right now, I have a, what do you call it? Ice skates.
Ice skate?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have it in the car, yeah. I do have a pair myself, so I do dabble here and there.
Dabble, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, dabble. Okay, that's.
Yeah, I dabble.
Yeah, dabble.
Yeah. I wonder how the audiences are gonna react to this new talking.
Sometimes change is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I only have one video that I uploaded where I'm talking.
Uh-huh.
But I know I used to say the same things, but my video on Thailand where I do what you do,
Uh-huh.
walking,
Yeah.
I'm trying to avoid the music,
Okay.
like that, kind of like, I don't know, it'll blew up a little more.
Oh.
Yeah, so I guess like, kind of goes with my saying like, we're all naturals at several things, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see how this one goes first, then we'll take it from there.
And not to mention, you probably drop some Canadians too.
Canadians. Oh, from
Yeah.
your. Okay.
Yeah. And also like everyone else from Africa who moved to Canada.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Good.
Because it's very common to notice, like as I mentioned earlier, British people in Europe,
Yeah.
they'll connect really
Oh,
well.
because of the language, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Sayivumela le ndlela ukuthi namajita asise kule ndlela.
Because I know this area has a lot to offer. So we gotta see what they have here.
Oh, we're going the full circle.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah. I just noticed it now.
It's crazy how we didn't even try to catch one Uber.
Yeah. It's really like, sometimes like when you're driving or taking a bus,
Uh-huh.
like you miss the hidden gems.
Yeah. I think left, yeah. Yeah. Yo. Might as
I
well.
saw him, yeah.
Yeah, why not? Oh yes, then we're gonna go this way. Yeah.
This is very common in India, right?
Uh-huh. Like photobombing people? Okay, he's in a hurry, so let's go quickly. Yeah.
There's two of my bloggers that they said all that stuff in their own videos.
Uh-huh.
It shows it. It's true. Like,
If you think you've seen chaos, trust me, you haven't seen anything. But I don't think the place that I'm talking about we should go. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's too chaotic, even for my liking.
oh, I've seen these before, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
I know
Maboneng.
which one you're talking about now, yeah.
Yeah.
One of your first videos I actually saw.
I don't know, should we go this way, then go back up?
Oh, you were smart.
Let's go this way.
I was it's like I said, go where the traffic is.
Yeah.
It's a long way. Oh.
A long way.
Wow. That's why like have a snack
Uh-huh.
to make it light.
Oh, just to make sure that you're not too heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're like trying to eat something, right?
Yeah.
I'll go hard on that. Something you eat here that's still digesting it while you're walking.
I'm probably going to be cringing listening to myself in the video.
Yeah, I do that too.
Uh,
I'm like, I just bring up my New Yorker side and be like, forget about it.
yeah. Like, fuck it, yeah.
As long as like I don't trip or fall, that's the important part.
Mm.
One key.
Yeah, you see with Powerade, they didn't have that color. They just made it because of the Springboks,
Yeah.
the green one.
I noticed that with, when I had classic Coca-Cola,
Yeah.
it had the Springboks.
The Springboks thing, yeah.
Yeah, so that's everyone's team nowadays, right?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's my main team now.